So if you've been watching my channel lately, usually on a Friday, I'm always showing my FPV drones. And obviously the main one is the DJI Fighter 2. And its companion now, which is the Neo, which I think, and I've banged on it before, that Neo, with this, I'm still learning the FPV. I'm never going to be the whiz kid of FPVing, but I do enjoy it. But lately, because of the, there he is, the flip, I've been concentrating more on that lately. Anyway, I think I've come to my sort of near my end of the flip now, and I will be back posting again FPV drone footage, hopefully every Friday, until another drone pops out, no doubt. But before I carry on with that, here in Spain, I can safely say, guys, that every week I'm going to get some amazing sunny days. And I get a lot of you guys, especially in the UK, just got a new drone, especially after Christmas, and you can't fly it mainly because of the weather. Well, this year, in September 26th, for 3 days, we're on a Spanish drone meetup. We got people coming from America. I believe we got people coming from the UK as well. But if you wanted to meet a lot of other drone enthusiasts, and I'm not just talking us blokes, there's quite a few ladies as well that be come along to the event. So put it in your diary. If you're interested, I'll put the poster there. Contact the email. They'll give you more information about obviously the dates, where we're flying. We'll be flying, if you look on the Spanish map, the southeast of Spain, the Murcia region, lovely part of the world. In September, it ain't going to be so hot. We've got through the hot period through July and August, but September will be a lot cooler, but still a lot sunnier. So if you're interested, guys, please check it out. Also check out the main channel, which is the Drone Seekers International channel. They do a live chat every Sunday evening. Join the group. Anyway, getting back to my footage. Unfortunately, because I haven't been flying this hardly at all, really. I did fly it the other day. I went out with the Drone Seekers, the Spanish Drone Seekers, I should say. And we went up to the castle. I actually got some footage from that amazing drone that I'm still not liking, but hey, still early days on that. That's the DJI Flip. And also did some footage with my little Neo as well. So yeah, so this, I'm just going to finish this off. But guys, if you're thinking about, you want to go on sort of a short holiday in the sun, why not come to Spain, September time? Put it in your diary. Anyway, just a little short video that I've done with the other guys. Enjoy.